Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake easy at home. First, gather all your ingredients, including 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, 3 large eggs, and 1 cup of milk. Next, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, prepare a 9-inch round cake pan by greasing it thoroughly and dusting it with flour to prevent sticking. Now let's mix our batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, combine the wet ingredients, eggs, milk, and melted butter. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Pour the batter into your prepared pan and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Once your cake is baked, let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. This step is crucial for easy frosting. While it cools, prepare a simple buttercream frosting with 1 stick of softened butter, 3 cups of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Once the cake is fully cooled, spread the frosting evenly and decorate as you wish. Your delicious homemade cake is now ready to be enjoyed. Slice it up and share it with your family and friends. For any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain freshness. Making cake at home is a rewarding experience, and with these easy steps, you can create a delightful treat anytime. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.